Hello, my name is Nabilahhanis Binti Razali. So today we will present about the group project B2B electronic marketplace. So this is our group members. The first one, Chuah Xin Qian, Nurul Aqidah Hizmah, Nabilahhanis, Ieziatie, and Athirah. So in this presentation, we present about the company and product background, market need, unique selling proposition, competitive analysis, target marketing and market segmentation, pricing and positioning strategy, the promotion strategy, online marketing strategy, break-even analysis, sales forecast, and the last one, potential problems and challenges.
Okay, let me explain briefly about the GG Fabrics company, whereas GG Fabrics was started at the beginning of January 2023. This business was created by a partnership between 5 people, whereas 5 of us were a final year student at University Utara Malaysia. We take this opportunity to run GG business because nowadays it's a technology world where this technology can help us to add extra income, and for everyone known, with technology everything can go smoothly, especially for business, because it very easy and fast to carry out any transaction. For this GG Fabrics, we have chosen the trade and distribution sector, which is in the type of business category business to business, B2B, whereas GG Fabrics act as a wholesaler of various types of fabrics. And we also choose e-commerce platform, which is Alibaba, because we also know that Alibaba is very well known for its purchasing and wholesaling activities. Next, we move to the GG Fabrics product background. In this GG Fabrics, we offer variety of fabrics with high quality and unique pattern at a very low price. It is because our fabrics manufactured directly from Vietnam factory. There are 5 types of fabrics that GG Fabrics offer, such as cotton, satin, chiffon, crepe, and also silk. To attract more customers or retailers, we also offer additional services such as tailoring in bulk based on customers' needed.
Good day, doctor and everyone. My name is Chuah Xin Qian. In this slide, I would like to share a bit about industry descriptions and outlook. First of all, the textile manufacturing market in Malaysia is one of the country's main manufacturing sector. In Malaysia, the growth of clothing industry is stimulated by rising income and consumer confidence. The growing number of women who are actively participating in the labor force has contributed to this growth. As a result, Malaysia is starting to be seen as a thriving fashion capital. Moreover, beginning in 2022, there will be a significant growth in the demand for organic fiber in the textile industry. Organic fiber like cotton are growing steadily in places like China, India, and the United States. Since the Malaysian textile manufacturing market is expected to be aggressive driven, GG Fabrics wants to get into this market because there is more demand for fabrics and clothes.
To fulfill all the needs and wants from customer, GG Fabrics analyze 3 types of market needs, such as size of markets, consider cultural components, and also the special interests and needs. First of all, for the size of markets, at the beginning, GG Fabrics was target market is 15%, and we plan to increase 5% per month. It is because we identify and survey the needs from the potential retailers, existing retailers, and also the event community. Second, consider cultural components. We also found that the Asian market has a high demand, especially in festival days, because we know that Malaysia has a very unique and different culture in their society, because in the every festival days they need to wear such as baju kurung, cheongsam, sari, and other festive clothes. And the third is special interest and needs. GG Fabrics act dynamically by ensuring that all market requirements by provide many types of fabrics in one platform, and also GG Fabrics runs about tailoring service.
Okay, I'll proceed with the unique and proposition of this company. The first one is the characteristic. In terms of characteristics, we offers 5 types of fabrics in this business, and we also use 2 ways of business channels, which is by retails and also by wholesale. The second one is the price structure. For the price structure, since we have 2 types of business channels, which is by retails and also by wholesale, we also offers 2 kinds of pricing structure, which is by the price for retails and also price for the wholesale buyer. The third one is the placement strategy. For this strategy, our focus is to to place our business to the location that always the customer look into, and for example at the location which is like a kind of popular, or the main attraction is about the fabrics. And the last one which is a promotional strategy. For this promotional strategy, as our business highlights the element of culture, we use or we have different kind of promotions, depends on the culture or depends on the celebration at that time. For example, Hari Raya, Deepavali, and also Chinese New Year. The next one is about the competitive analysis. In this part, we want to highlight 5 major elements that are most crucial in this part. The first one is the product description. In this business, we only offers 5 types of fabrics, and although we have limited types of fabrics, we want to ensure that the buyer enjoy with a high satisfaction level when they purchase our products. The second one is the marketing and sales strategy. We implement 2 types of marketing strategy, which is by digital and also by physical. And the reason or the purpose we use various type of marketing strategy is to create the awareness to people or to publics about our products, our business products. The third one is our product strengths, because in this business we want to highlight the culture elements in this business, because as Malaysia have different types of culture, so we want to highlight these elements in this business. The fourth one is the customers and audience. Since we have like 2 types of business channels, which is by retails and also by wholesale, we also have increased our audience and our customer, which is the individual buyer and also the wholesale buyer, which is the other business or like anyone else. And the last one is our product weaknesses. As I mentioned before, we have like limited types of fabrics offered to the customers, and I think that is our business weaknesses. But we think that it is the best, our best decision to offer limited types of fabric, as our business is quite new and also we still learning about the business development.
In order to maintain our profit and avoid wasting resources, GG Fabrics choose as a concentrated market in target market. It is because GG Fabrics only specialize in the fabric products marketing. And we also know that GG Fabric business has just begun operation at the beginning of January. And we are now focusing on the building our brand awareness for our product. And for the GG Fabrics business, is currently in the introduction in cycle phase. That is, we seek to target a certain market segment only. It is because GG Fabrics offers a select few types of fabric in a limited range of patterns, colors, and also fabric qualities. We believe that concentrated market can implement our innovation, any innovation, to enhance customer loyalty and lower the operating expenses. In order to compete with other business, GG Fabric places more emphasis on market segmentation. It is because this market segmentation was able to maximize our customer satisfaction. The market segmentation was created by GG Fabrics such as demographic, psychographic, behavioral, and also geographic. For the demographic segmentation, GG Fabrics divides between the needs, wants, and usage rate. The variables in the demographic segmentation such as income level and employment status. Second, for the psychographic segmentation, GG Fabrics refers to a person's position in society, lifestyle, and also personality characteristic. It is because, as we all know, that individuals that have high income and have their luxurious lifestyle, but they lack of time to shop, and of course, they will prefer more to e-commerce platform. Okay, next, for the behavioral segmentation, the variable that emphasize on the GG Fabrics such as rate of use and also customer readiness level. Last but not least, for the geographic segmentation, GG Fabrics divide based on the customer location. It is because GG Fabrics want to pay more attention to the adaptation of the cultures, manners, religion, and life values of the community in a location. For example, GG Fabrics pay attention for the Asian market, such as Muslim. They should aware about their style.
Now, I will continue the presentations for our group with the parts of pricing and positioning strategy. In this part, we think that pricing and positioning need to be coordinated, and our business must choose the appropriate price for product in accordance with the position they hold in the market. In order to make GG Fabric stand out in the marketplace, we apply 3 pricing strategies in conjunction with a positioning strategy. There are value-based pricing, cost-plus pricing, and competitor-based pricing. In business operation of GG Fabric, 3 price strategies will be implemented flexible according to the product itself and the current market condition. Firstly, the pricing strategy that we use is value-based pricing. It is a strategy where prices are set primarily on the basis of the consumer perceptions of the product or service. For GG Fabric, it is committed to providing customer with high-quality product because we believe that our customer will be willing to pay more if our product is in a good enough quality. Okay, next, for some of our products, we also use cost-plus pricing. When determining product selling price, we will take into account both direct and indirect costs. This is in order to guarantee GG Fabric will be compensated for all costs is sustained and able to generate a profit in normal condition. Next, in some of the cases, GG Fabric will also consider to use competitor-based pricing. In this strategy, our business will focus on competitor price as a primary foundation for pricing our own product. For GG Fabric, we will set prices that are higher, lower, or the same depending on the prices of competitors and the situations of the market competitiveness. After that, a good positioning strategy will enable a business to determine its market position and attract more customers in a systematic manner. For GG Fabric, we place greater emphasis on quality positioning in order to distinguish ourselves from other competitors. We strive for this positioning because high-quality products increase our market position and build a positive reputation among our customers. Now, we will look at the part of promotion strategy. Promotion strategy is a way which a business implements various promotion tools to deliver product information to consumers, attract their attention, and stimulate their desire to purchase. B2B promotional strategy will be more concentrated on how to market the product produced by our business to another business. In order to reach out more customers, GG Fabric use promotional strategy like email marketing, social media marketing, and B2B advertising. Firstly, we came to email marketing first. Through email marketing, it can allow B2B business to access a larger target audience. This strategy assists GG Fabric group similar business into segments and use personalized message to tailor email communication to each group. By this way, two-way communication is created and allow both parties respond to each other in a friendly manner. Next, in the globalization world, social media marketing is essential for B2B business. Before deciding to purchase the product, majority of B2B potential buyers will do a research to verify the credibility of the business they want to collaborate with. If Gigi Fabric is able to obtain recommendation, positive review, and compliments on social media, these are all key factors that contribute to the business being an ideal choice for our potential customer. Lastly, the promotional strategy that be used by Gigi Fabric is B2B advertising. In the strategy of Gigi Fabric, we will focus on the placement of outdoor advertising and paid social media advertising. Gigi Fabric first concern is to place the advertisement close to the area that our target customer frequently visit. Besides that, as we all know, the B2B sales cycle is long, involving several months. Therefore, during this period, we must supply more information in social media advertising to boost the confidence of our new customer to purchase with us. That's all for my sharing. Thank you.
Next, I will present about the online marketing strategy. So for the online marketing strategy, there are three types, which are social commerce, mobile commerce, and application commerce. So for the social commerce, one of the social media that we use to market our product is to Instagram and Facebook. We choose to use this platform as a marketing medium because we consider that Instagram and Facebook are highly accurate and effective period in enhancing and disseminating information, especially about our product to our customers widely. Through this social media, we can channel information about our products to photographs, Instagram, interesting videos, and accompanied by the product descriptions such as explanations about the product names, types of our fabric materials, prices, and also the unique words that can attract our customer attention. So the next one is the mobile commerce. So for the mobile commerce, we use it kind of using mobile device as a communication channel. So it's kind of digital marketing that allows us to connect directly to with our customer. So the strategy is aimed to target the customer through smartphone, tablet, laptops, or other mobile device through social media, marketing apps, website, and also email. So by this, it allows us to reach our customer. For example, by using the smartphone. Okay, the third strategy is by application commerce. So for the application commerce, we choose Alibaba as the e-commerce platform as the online marketing strategy for our private products. So we choose it because Alibaba is one of the popular marketing apps, specifically serving the business to business B2B platform. So Alibaba.com is working to develop the multimedia content such as the live streaming, video created by the suppliers as one of the efficient methods to attract more buyers. So by using the Alibaba applications, the buyer will be able to obtain more information through dynamic and easy to use content material by easy to use the content material. So through Alibaba, the customer can get information about our fabric product in terms of fabric type, price, and make payments through online.
Hi, my name is Nurul Aqidah Hizmah Binti Hassan, metric number 271537. Now I will explain about the break-even analysis, like shows in this screen. The table shows about the annual cost for the fixed cost and variable cost. So when we calculate it for break-even point, we estimate a month fixed cost about 90,800 per month for fixed cost, and average selling price per unit or per roll fabric is 350 ringgit. And then for the average variable cost per unit, which is total variable cost, we divide by the total units, which is 4,000, and then we got average variable cost per unit is 132 ringgit. And then for the break-even quantity, we got 91 units for the break-even points. So now I will explain the break-even analysis from this figure. So from this figure, we can see when sales equal to total cost, we will get the break-even point, where the break-even point in units is 91 units, or rolls fabric in amount is 31,850 ringgit Malaysia. From this figure, we also can see when we will get income in profit or loss. So when we can sell over or more than 91 unit, we will get profit income. But when we sell under or less than 91 units, we will lose in income. We'll continue with sales forecast. Okay, from the table and the figure, this is sales forecast, where what we target in revenue for 3 years. Okay, so from the figure we can see that the purchase trend is the same every year, which is increase from January to March, and then start decrease April. This is because April is the celebration for Eid Mubarak, so people will buy a fabric before April for their celebration in April, Eid Mubarak celebration. So this trend we expect will be the same every year. So for the total revenue, or total sales that we expect will increase every year. So the highest income is expected in December every year due to year-end discount. Okay, so we intend to get 10% increase in revenue for the second year, and increase 15% for the in third year.
Next, I will present about the potential problems and challenges. So for the first one is the competitors. The main challenges for the marketing of fabric, one of them is competition. So we know that fabric is one of the needs that every person should have. It also growing with diverse motifs and patterns to support appearance and activities tailored. So in this regard, there is a lot of competition in the field of fabric, such as Nagoya, Kamba, Checker, Joe Fabric, Pilates Ermida Alia, and many more others, and many more in the among the popular fabric is store in Malaysia and has already has the loyal customers. So we have to compare with this fabric store that already good needs in Malaysia, especially for this with the higher quality textile supplier and in the greater quantities. Okay, the next challenges is inventory shortage and overstocking. Okay, by the overstocking, we know that overstocking occurs when we order and buy more inventory than can be sold. So by overstocking, we will get excess stock that we eventually take up warehouse space without being sold in the near future, which could give negatively impact on our storage costs. So the excess stock is also amplified, causing damage goods, where our fabric, if stored for a long time, it will be damaged because of the excess stocks. So the old stocks, in simple words, the old stocks that they damage is not properly cared for, which ultimately harms our business. On the other hand, there also has a possibility of running out of stock. This means we do not have or lack the inventory that we need to fulfill the customer orders. In this regard, our customers are likely to cancel their order because they feel the waiting time may be too long. Then it will risk us of losing our customer and they return to the competitors. By this could eventually harm our company's reputation and make us appear untrustworthy. Okay, the last one is the falls of Malaysia ringgit. We know that when the value of ringgit Malaysia, which is reported to be shrinking at the lowest rate, it can directly impact on the import and export sector. So the excessive inflation in Malaysia make the ringgit to undervalue and in a weak state compared to the other currency, as our company buy the fabric from the Vietnam, so it can increase the price of our fabric products. If this happens, we have to pay daily for import goods. And it has a ripple effect. For example, we must pay a high rate of price to Vietnamese fabric manufacturers. So we had to raise the price of fabric, which this will cause the customer to spend less and our income also will decrease. So that's all from our group. Thank you for your listening.